guys. Welcome back to LNG Super Slimes. Anyways, today I'm going to be testing out unpopular clays for slimes. Let's go! So here, oh my goodness, here is the clay. It was $2.75, almost $3. It comes with these colors, two little shapes and two tools. It's called Super Light Clay from Chunkow Stationery, which I've never heard of before. Alrighty, let's open this up. So now I'm going to open the clays. I'll play with them to see what their kind of texture is, I guess. Now I'm going to use the tools provided with the clay to try it out. Ooh. Well, the bird didn't work, so I'm going to use the moon. I think it's a moon. So the stamps work better with different colors. Sweet blue jay. I'm gonna test out the blue tools now. First, this one, it's kind of sharp like a knife on one end and then kind of like tiny at the other end. The other one has this weird, I don't know what this tool's for. I guess I'll have to look it up. On one end, and then this stuff in the middle, and then on the other end, a scooper. I think it works pretty well. I like this clay a lot. Now time to try to add it to some slimes. Alright, I've made a pretty average slime. So I'm going to start adding clay to different parts of it. Guys, this clay is actually really good for slime. This is an amazing clay package. It comes with lots of good tools and supplies, and I love it!